Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well and healthy. Ayajit Singh from Corners Bratland Public School will teach you computer of grade 6. So, dear students, this is a part 3 video of the chapter 6 formulas and functions. So, my dear students, it is very interesting video of this chapter. Types of cell references. क्या होते हैं cell references? The cell address in a formula is known as the cell references. With the help of references, you can find the values or a data in a worksheet that you want to use in a formula. There are 3 types of cell references. 3 टाइप के होते हैं. रिलेटिव रेफरेंसेस, पहला रिलेटिव रेफरेंसेस होते हैं. व्हेन यू क्रिएट अ फार्मूला, अब आप फार्मूला बनाते हैं तो रेफरेंस टू अ सेल रेंजेस ऑफ आर यूजुअली बेस्ड ऑन द पोजीशन relative to the cell. When you copy the formula to other cells, the reference cell automatically gets arranged. For example, if the formula in A3 is A1 plus A2 and you copy the formula from A3 to B3, actually automatically changes in the references to match the location of cell is that B1 plus B2. Let us learn it practically. Select the cell B11 in which formula equal sum B4 to B9 is written. Okay. Click on the copy button and present in the clipboard group on the home tab. वहाँ से उसे click कर लेना है. And now select the C11 and click on the paste button. Paste button पर click करिए. Look the difference. Observe that the cell reference in C11 is changes automatically from to B4 semicolon B9 to C4 semicolon C9. So dear students, you can also calculate the sum of the range by using the autofill handle. Select the cell B11 and using the autofill handle dragging it to C11. The sum of the range C4 semicolon C9 will be reflected in a cell C11. Okay. Now second, absolute reference. Absolute reference क्या होता है? Absolute reference is used when we do not want to change. जब हमें कोई change नहीं चाहिए. The address of the cell while copying the formula to another cell, किसी दूसरे cell में. To use absolute reference in a formula, you need to add the dollar sign before the column and the row number. For example, equal dollar sign A, dollar sign 1 plus dollar sign A, dollar sign 2 is an example of absolute reference. Let us calculate the incentive amount at the rate of the 10% on monthly sales. Type 10% in a cell D1. After that, now click on the cell D4. Type equal B4 multiply by dollar sign D dollar sign 1. The cell D4 displays the value 100. The first cell address B4 has no dollar sign, so it is relative reference, and the second cell address is fully absolute. Therefore, when the data of the cell is copied, the first cell reference changes accordingly in the new location, but the second one remains the same is that dollar sign D dollar sign 1. Now copy the formula by dragging the mouse pointer to the rest of the cells. खाली cells के ऊपर ड्रैग करना है. अगला होता है मिक्स रेफरेंसेस. मिक्स्ड रेफरेंस क्या होता है? इट इज़ इन अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ रिलेटिव एंड एब्सोल्यूट. दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है, दोनों रेफरेंसेस का. इन दिस टाइप ऑफ रेफरेंस either row or columns has to remain the fixed. So dollar sign A, A1 plus dollar sign $2 is an example of mixed reference. So let us use the method to calculate the actual expenses. Type 50 in a cell D2. D2 में 50 टाइप कर दीजिए. Click on the cell E4. E4 पर क्लिक करेंगे and type the equal $sign C4 minus $sign 2 and press the enter key. Enter key press करेंगे. So you can further calculate the actual expenses for the other cells by dragging the mouse pointer to the desired range when it changes to cross plus symbol. Circular references. Circular references क्या होते हैं? A circular reference occurs when your formula in a cell refers to its own cell value directly or indirectly. For example, if you enter the formula equal A1 plus A2 multiplied by 3 in a cell A2 and you are making the formula to refer to its own cell value, which is not possible. A warning as shown in the figure given below will be displayed in such a case. So as you click on OK button of the warning dialog box of 0 will be returned to in the cell containing formula. The status bar will also notify you that circular reference is found in the workbook and the address of that cell will be displayed on it. Cell references of another worksheet, and you can use the cell references of the another worksheet. This can be done in 2 ways. इसे 2 तरीके से किया जा सकता है. Using copy pasting option. Copy paste option से भी आप कर सकते हैं. So click on the new sheet button present to the right of the test sheet 1 at the bottom of the screen. A new worksheet with the sheet 2 name will be added. So now enter the data as shown in the figure. Click on the sheet 1 tab. Now click on the cell B11 where the sum function is fixed and copy the formula using Ctrl plus C. Click on the sheet 2 tab. Click on the cell B11 and now paste the formula using the Ctrl plus V. Paste कर देंगे. The cell will display the result of formula is that summations of the cell values using sheet reference. Sheet reference से भी कर सकते हैं. In this method we use sheet numbers, explanation marks and cell addresses to refer to cell of particular worksheet. For example, you by writing sheet 1 D4, we are referring to the D4 of sheet 1. Let us try use this method to calculate the total salary. Click on the C4 of the sheet 2, type equal B4 plus sheet 1 explanation mark D4 in it and press enter. This will be add the incentive amount present in the D4 of sheet 1 with the salary present in the cell B4 of sheet 2. So you can further calculate the total salary for other cells by dragging the mouse pointer to the rest of the cells when it changes to the cross symbol. Let us know, students, the easiest way to define names for cells is the click on the name box at the left end of the formula, type a name of range and press the enter key. So thank you very much, student, to watching this video. Stay safe.